Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video in the same shirt. That's just how it goes when you have like one day a week to film. But today's video is I just rolled a little. But in today's video, I wanted to show you guys. But in today's video, I did this eye look using the JUVIAS Place the Nubian 2 palette. I did recently pick this up from Ulta and it was on sale for $14. I mean, talk about a steal. And yeah, I've been dying to film a video for you guys using this palette for over like a week and a half, but I just didn't have the time. So we're finally here today, and yeah. So you'll see in the video, I did have a little bit of trouble applying the darker brown shade. I think in general, it's just dark browns that might be a little bit more difficult to blend, because I noticed in my Desi and Katie Francation palette, the dark brown did take a little bit of extra work, and you know, you had to put in some elbow grease, if that's the saying. But yeah, I really did enjoy this palette. This is what it looks like. It definitely has a good array of shades and or matte shades, which you can all use as like transition shades or crease shades. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 metallic shades. These are all very pigmented shades, and I really like the way this look came out. And I tried something new. I normally don't do bright colors, or I just normally don't do anything that steps out of the box. You can say I'm a person who likes to stick to the routine, but I really did enjoy the way this came out. It's different than what I normally do, and I hope the footage looks good, guys. Like, my lighting looked really light. I don't know if it's because my window was open. I don't know what happened. Guys, enjoy this video, and if you want to see how I got this eye look and how these shadows perform, please keep watching. Okay, so I'm just throwing this shade in my crease. Is that me, or like, I'm having a little trouble blending this out, honestly. First impression is not the best. Alright. Just effortlessly, really, no. I'm just working this in and really trying to, I guess we're gonna go for a dark night look. I don't know. It's currently like 1 p.m. so this is definitely gonna be a bit dramatic for the daytime, but whatever. That's what the shade looks like blended in. It's definitely not an easy shade to blend. Okay, so per usual, my camera overheated and turned off. All I did is just blended that shade Madagascar into my crease, and I just brought it up here. I brought it up a little bit. I'm having more luck blending it on my swollen eye. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Morocco, which is like a orange shade, and I'm going to try to focus that more on the lower crease. Actually, I'm going to bring that onto the lid as well. So I'm just bringing that onto the lid. I should probably blending that out into the crease. Packing more on as I go. And then continuing to blend it in. Alright, that looks pretty blended to me and what I prefer. And I think I'm gonna go in with one of these. I'm probably gonna go in with one of these like metallic shades. I feel like Nairobi will probably look really good with this. It's like a yellow shade. So I'm gonna use a flat brush. I'm gonna use this crown brush. There's no number on it, okay. But I got this with my FabFitFun box in my fall FabFitFun box. So I'm just spraying my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray onto the brush. And now we're gonna go in and apply that on the lid. Ooh, that's a very pretty color. I will say it's not really metallic. It is not blending out good. So it's not blending out horribly, but I do not like the way it's blending out using the brush. So I'm gonna try to pat. Oh yeah, much better. So I'm just patting that shade onto my lid using my finger, and that packs a lot more color onto the lid. Yeah, that is way better. I like that better. This is like a sunset eye, I would say. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a smaller blending brush. This is my OG Sigma blending brush, and the number is E25. I'm gonna go back in with the shade Madagascar and just use that to blend the edges out. Good to me. And now all I'm gonna do is now apply Madagascar using a pointed brush. Apply that under the eye so we can tie the whole look together. I'm connecting the two, as you can see. I'm just working very gently under my eye. So I'm gonna pull. Rough. Remember, this part of your eye is very gentle. So now I'm gonna go in and dip into Morocco, which is the other shade that we use in our crease. Just apply that on top of the Madagascar shade. And then, just to be extra, I'm gonna apply a little bit of that Nairobi shade right in the middle. This over there as a little pop of color. Alright guys, so I'm back and I just want to stop and say thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you if you are a new subscriber. Thank you if you're an existing subscriber. I appreciate all of your love and your feedback. If at any time you want or have a request, please feel free to comment down below and let me know what you want to see from me. I really love filming videos, and this is a hobby for me, and it just fulfills me so much. So I would really appreciate it if you guys give me your feedback, and if you could like and subscribe as well so you can see more from me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good one, guys.